Hi, welcome to episode 2 of my home makeover diaries. If you have not watched episode 1, I have left the link below, so please go ahead and watch it. I will be sharing my journey of my DIY home makeover project on a budget. On this episode, I am doing my glam room, also my accessories, wardrobe, for my shoes, bags, jewelry, and so much more. My makeup vanity will also be here. First things first, I started doing some measurements and pencil markings for the shelves. I want to put 3 levels of shelves and the lowest no shelf. I am using the doors from the wardrobe from episode 1 as shelf, and I'm using these L-shaped supporters to hold them up. So with some help, we started drilling holes and securing these L-shaped supporters and then securing the shelves on top of them with screws. We kept repeating the process until all of the shelves are up. It's a relatively simple process but requires some patience. So this side is done. As you can see, it's definitely going to take a little bit more time to finish up the rest, and we actually used 2 days to finish it up. So this is all the shelving that I'm putting up. So all the shelving is done. There is an empty area. I left that area empty to put in a large mirror. And then I moved in my mirror vanity table and some display glass for jewelry. I'm not very sure about the glass display though. It looks a little out of place and too big. I might want to move it out. And here I am setting my makeup display racks. They are acrylic make. They are multi-level so I can organize more makeup stuff. And so I decided to move out the glass jewelry display just now and change it to this table. Yes, the table does look out of place, but I will be fixing that later. I bought this mirror roll with a sticker backing so you could just stick it on, and it's supposed to look like a mirror. I measured the size, cleaned the table, and started just sticking it on. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite disappointing because it looks like really low quality and doesn't really look like mirror, but I just went along with it because I'm just using it as a table, so it's not that important. And then the next step, I bought this LED mirror bulbs where I just ordered how many bulbs, and they will actually send the whole item to you. You just have to secure them on the mirror, plug it in, and it's done. I wanted that Hollywood glam mirror with light bulbs, so I want the light bulbs to be more secured, so I actually screwed them in. And I am very, very happy with these bulbs. I mean, just look at how pretty it is. So I started putting my makeup tools on the table, cleaning the mirrors and the tables, finally looking like it's more put together. And the next thing to assemble is this leveled trolley where I'm going to put all my hairstyling tools. It's going to give me easy access. And I also bought these crystal wall lamps to change the current wall light to a more glam looking one. So I bought these from Lazada and I have to assemble them myself. They actually look really good after assembling. And the next thing to assemble is this leveled trolley where I'm going to put all my hairstyling tools. It's going to give me easy access to my hair tools and I can push it around. So this one is the same exact LED strip lights from the previous video. I bought them from Taobao and it has this sticker backing so I can stick them on directly. This is how my glam room is looking like currently. I think the lights are really pretty, but I feel like I need to add another shelf to put more stuff. Okay guys, so I bought this shelf thing to put these parts. I mean, look at this. I feel like this is a bit too messy, so I'm gonna put everything in the shelf right here since there's a space. I'm gonna assemble it, clean everything up. So let's see. This is the shelf. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this. So this is what it looks like right now. I think a lot cleaner. The table's clean. And this is my makeup stuff. Everything's here. And this is my hair styling tools in that trolley itself. Clean up a little bit more. Put this little light here because I have one extra LED light. And the length of the cable, that is the maximum it can go, so I just put it there. Looks a little more trendy, I think. And this is the final reveal. It's just a small space with all of my favorite things displayed. I left the lower level of the shelf with a higher space so I can put my longer boots there. And this is the vanity area. Yes, there is some stain on my mirror that cannot be removed. Well, I had this mirror since I'm like 18, I think. It's the sign that it's been very well used. This space just has enough lights for makeup and hairstyling. I really like it. I added this full body mirror here so I can check out the shoes that I'm wearing and how my fit is like. This is a super simple and inexpensive project, reusing some stuff, and the shelves were from the clothes wardrobe previously. Those are the doors from the wardrobe. So I'm really happy with the space. Thank you again for watching, and please subscribe if you like my content. I will be coming up with episode 3 where I will be showing you my living room makeover. It is one of my favorite space. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It is gonna mean a lot to me. See you in the next.